In terms of what I'm calling sensitivity, I'm calling on the x-axis, I'm showing you 3 different inputs of DNA, 20 nanograms, 10 nanograms, and 2.5 nanograms. And I'm showing you the allelic fraction. So this is how not only sensitivity, it's also reproducibility to show you whether the input is 20 nanograms, whether it is 10 nanograms, or even 2.5 nanograms, the allelic fractions that you see in the KRAS variant test, the EGFR variant and the NRAS variant is pretty good. The y-axis is not 0 to whatever, it's been made to fit to proportion. One more thing I wanted to do, we wanted to actually challenge the assay a little more with an EGFR deletion. So we took a sample that we had sequenced earlier and had only 3% of variant allele fraction for the EGFR exon 19 deletion. We took this particular sample and ran it at an input of 20 nanograms, 10 nanograms, and 2.5 nanograms, and the Pillar assay was able to detect it. It did the detection limit, or the detection that we got in the TrueSeq for the variant allele fraction was 3% over there. Over here, it was 1.5 to 2%.